Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Moodle on your Ubuntu 24.04 server. By the end of this video it will be fully installed and running.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. The first thing we need to do is install the web stack and prepare the database. You can do all of this using the following commands. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Next, let's move on to downloading Moodle and configuring the permission. Use the following commands to download Moodle directly from GitHub. Now let's configure the web server. Use the following commands to create a configuration file and pass the next block of code into it. Don't forget to replace the server name with your domain name or IP address. After that, we activate the newly created configuration file, disable the default Apache page, enable the rewrite module and restart the web server so all the changes take effect. To handle background tasks and mail and recalculate grades, we need to configure the Cron system scheduler. Use the next command. Let's fix the first installer error. Open the automatically generated file and change the database type from default MySQL to MariaDB, which is what we are using. Now we fix the second method Moodle requirement. In the main PHP configuration file, find the next string parameter and increase its limits to 5000. As a final touch, we restart the Apache web server one more time to apply the updated PHP settings. Now we can switch over to the browser and proceed with installation. All we need to do is specify our database details and complete the administrator account setup. Once that's done, Moodle is fully ready to work via your IP address. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.